Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make these cute little suns out of English muffins. We're just going to set that to the side because that's already done. We're going to pop these in to get the other two going while we do that one. And now we're just going to cut it. So you need to come in on an angle. All the way around. Does not have to be perfect. This is just for your family's enjoyment. Or party if you're going to have a party and want to do this. And don't worry, those little bits are not going to go to waste. And then we're going to do this last one here. Making sure you get that point in. And then what I like to do is grab a little bowl, stick the little bits in because they like to eat those. Take a skewer and just kind of pick a point that you want to put it in. And just kind of slowly get that through, but not all the way through. And there's your little sun. As soon as this pops up, we'll do the other two. And these are ready. Ooh, a bit hot. Haha, fumble. Alright. Forgot to mention that these are going to be toppers for our mac and cheese sundaes that we're doing for today's lunch. So I will show you that in the very end. Will I get... Oh, very hot. Be careful with these when you do these. Could let them cool down, but I got lots to do. So we're just gonna get through this. Again, go in on an angle. And go all the way around just like this, making your little suns. Don't forget to watch our video that actually showcases these. Not sure what I'm going to call it right now, but I'm sure you can find it if you go look on our channel, or I'll put a link. Yeah, I'll put a link for it for you in the description so you can easily find it. Of course, use those little bits. Today's prices, you can't waste anything. I think I like this point up here, so we'll go this way.
And I apologize in advance for my camera fuzzing out on you.
This is my other camera woman, my other daughter. She is learning how to run the camera so that one person isn't just constantly on here. We can take turns videoing and take turns showing people what we make in our home. Everything is always budget friendly because, like everybody else, we are struggling, but we need some happiness in our life, and that's where this stuff comes in. We enjoy getting very creative with our food. And again, don't waste those little bits. Over, find a good point, which I'm gonna go with. I think I'll go with this one. Oops, a little too far. Don't poke yourself. And in just a second or two, we will show you what we're gonna put them in. And now for the star of the show, the little suns that we made. We're just going to put them in our mac and cheese. Probably should have cut these. Next time I will cut them if we have this again, which I'm sure we will. Because, yeah. Alright, no, hold on. I'm going to fix this. And we're back. I just cut, see down here, what, like maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches off of them. And then, again, we just slide them in. Don't they fit so much better? And there you go. We have little suns for our mac and cheese sundaes.
They're awesome.